everyone, my name is Aradhya Pandey. I'm studying class 5th. Today I'm going to show how to make Gujiya step by step at home. So let's begin. So guys, in this in this material I have mixed khoa along with some suji and sugar, of course, and some dry fruits like almond and kishmish, and something named like salt and the other materials required to make this. Everyone, that recipe was from me. So bye everyone.